Hello friends, welcome to Biographs. Today's topics will be Active Cooled Scramjet, the National Financial Reporting Authority, Tree Scripts, Indus Water Treaty, the Axiom 4 mission. About Active Cooled Scramjet, which one of the following statements are correct? First, hypersonic missiles are a class of advanced weaponry that travel at speed greater than Mach 5. Second, scramjets, which are air-breathing engines capable of sustaining combustion at supersonic speeds without using any moving parts. Third, scramjets use moving parts. Answer is first statement is correct. Hypersonic missiles are a class of advanced weaponry that travel up to the speed of Mach 5, and the scramjet's second statements are a kind of air-breathing engines, and this is capable of sustaining combustion at supersonic speeds without any use of moving parts. So first and second statements are correct. Answer B is correct answer. With reference to the National Financial Reporting Authority, first statement, the National Financial Reporting Authority was constituted by the Government of India under the Companies Act 2013. True or false? And second statement is functions, recommended accounting and auditing policies and standards to be adopted by companies for approval by the central government. So here the first statement is correct. It is constituted by the Government of India under Companies Act 2013, and second statement is also correct. Its functions is to recommended accounting, auditing policies and standards to be adopted by companies for approval by the central government. Considered statements regarding the tree shrews. Tree shrews are small mammals native to the tropical forest of South and Southeast Asia. Second, the most are diurnal and the pen-tailed shrews are nocturnal. So both the kind of nature is available. Third, they mark their territories using various scent glands or urine depending on the particular species. So this is also depend on particular species. So here the correct answer is first statement. They are small mammals, as you can see into the picture. Native to Southeast Asia is correct. Most are diurnal and pen-tailed tree shrew is nocturnal. This statement is correct. Second one. Third one, their behavior, that they mark their territories using kind of various scent glands or urine. So it also depends upon particular species. This is also correct statement. So regarding tree shrews, three of the statements are correct here. So option 3 is correct. It is regarding Esmeraldas. So it is in news because of 6.3 earthquake, magnitude earthquake. So this region here you can see in the map. This is for observation only. So it is in northwestern coastal province of Ecuador. Here the topic is Indus Water Treaty rivers. So eastern rivers, that is Sutlej and Beas and Ravi, right? These three are eastern rivers, and western rivers includes Indus, Jhelum, and Chenab. So these three are western rivers. Here important statements regarding the Axiom 4 mission. First, the experiment is regarding can insulin dependent diabetic can stay in space or not. Second, the Indian Air Force pilot Shubhanshu Shukla will be boarding this mission, and the project is being undertaken in a partnership with Bruce Hill Holding PLC. It is a kind of United Arab Emirates based healthcare service provider. So these are the important things to remember regarding Axiom 4 mission. Here an announcement. Students, here you can prepare by subscribing Bygraves Crack with Direct Exam Template subscription, where for prelims and mains separate modules will be given. For prelims, it will cover economy, biotechnology, environment and ecology, animal science, or you can say species in use and its foundations, geography and mapping, polity, biology, microbiology, chemical science, medicine, agriculture, forest management, horticulture, regulations, reports, defense, schemes, international organizations, technology, acts and regulations. So these kind of topics will be for prelims clearly defined. For mains, general studies paper 1, general studies paper 2, general studies paper 3, and case studies which are in use regarding general studies paper 4 will be covered in mains module. So students, you can subscribe and directly prepare for exam without any kind of traditional way of preparation of which is bulky, reading news, making notes and reading different magazines but no output. Here it is news foundation. You can capture 80 to 90% of the syllabus, which is weightage of the exam regarding current affairs will be given foundational terms, so easy to cover directly.